I'm the first person in my family to not only go to college, but to go all the way to a doctorate degree. When I started here, no one thought much of community college. It hadn't been in existence very long. It opened in '66, and I came here in '73. And I had several guidance counselors in my high school try to talk me out of attending here. The reason I came here was because my parents were children of the Depression, and they couldn't afford to send me anywhere. And my dad didn't want me to start out my life owing a lot of money. My first day at CCAC was actually in the nurses' residence at Allegheny General Hospital. We met in the auditorium because there was no place here on site that would hold 150 students. So I was really looking forward to learning how to do all of this, how to take vital signs, how to make a bed, how to get people up and helping them walk. I was the only person who was right out of high school. The others were either nursing assistants, orderlies, and a couple had been medics in Vietnam. So it took me 1 or 2 times more to learn how to do something hands-on. And I think a lot of those experiences helped me be even more determined to continue my education. I wasn't happy just settling for an associate degree. I had to go and get my bachelor's. But my claim to fame, I tell everybody, is I did all of that, my bachelor's, 4 master's degrees, and a doctorate with no student loans. It took forever, but I kept doing it with tuition reimbursement. In fact, 2 of the faculty that I had were still here teaching when I came back here as faculty in the nursing department. And when I touched base with them and told them what I was doing, the one turned around and said to me, I never had any doubt that that's what you would do. When my parents passed, they left me a few dollars, and I endowed a scholarship for nursing. When I endowed the scholarship, I wanted it to be based solely on academics. I get some of the essays that they write. It's a blind study, and I read them all, and I have no idea who they are, and help with the decision-making of who gets the scholarship. Reading some of those essays are an eye-opener. Some of them have very lofty aspirations. Some of them is just as simple as, I'm a single mom, I have 2 kids. This is really going to help me so that I don't have to work full-time this semester, and I can spend some time with my kids. And it's a way of paying it forward. I think if my parents saw that I endowed this scholarship, my mom would have been like, I'm really proud of you for doing this. My dad would probably say, why did you do that? You could have used the money for something else. I have a lot of emotions when I think about CCAC and what it means to me. CCAC is kind of home. I feel comfortable here. I live on the north side. I was born and raised on the north side. And now I feel like I've come full circle. I started my career here, and I'm going to finish my career here. If I had to do it again, I would probably come back here and start over again. I'm Ferrara-Love, class of 1975, and those were my reflections.